Too fast, too fast, too fast, too fast.
No. God damn it. I'm sorry.
You okay?
I'm okay, don't
You alright, Mom?
Oh, crap. I got a video. Are you guys okay?
I'm okay. I am okay. I am okay.
Oh, crap.
I'm okay. I'm fine.
Alright.
Shirley, don't be.
Everybody's okay. We're okay.
Everything's good.
Okay.
No,
No broken ass?
Shirley, stop. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Is your ass broken?
Shirley, I am fine.
Okay. Are you okay, Shirley?
Yeah, I mean, I asked Leslie. I fell off the bench here. I crawled around here trying to get my ass up off the ground.
Yeah, but I didn't do it.
Oh, don't be silly.
Oh, man,
The only
this
thing
should
is,
get you
I had to
$10,000
get
for
up
these home videos.
myself.
Nobody was
It will.
injured.
I had to get up myself.
Nobody's videotaping here.
You broke the
Can somebody get my mother off the ground?
I'll get up. I have to get up myself.
No, we're not gonna, no, we'll help you up, Mom.
Okay, somebody can help me now.
Alright. Oh, Ma, you got
Get the wheelchair.
No, I got it. This other side, the other side, this side.
Yeah.
Shirley ran my mother over.
Don't make me laugh, then I can't.
Who's peeing their pants now?
Okay, I'm up.
The whole time your face is out of mind going.